If you want to check the activation date on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we can open settings on your phone. Then in here, you want to find battery settings and then proceed. There we go. And in here, we should be able to find the battery information. In here, we can find the first used date, which of course is a good indicator of when the phone was activated for the first time. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can scroll down in settings and go to Google services over here. There we go. Now we're gonna tap on our Google account and choose to manage your Google account. In here, we're gonna tap on security and sign in. Now in here, we need to scroll down because we need to find your devices section and you want to go to sessions on Android. In here, you should be able to find your Galaxy A37, so of course you want to select it in here. You might need to verify yourself with biometrics or screen lock password. And then you should be able to see the first sign-in date, which is valid if you actually signed into your Google account on the first day once you got your phone. Of course, if the Google account is incorrectly selected in here, if you used a different account, you can tap on the account in order to change to a different one. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.